How to verify LinkedIn account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. The process is very simple. First of all, you have to launch your LinkedIn app. As you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific LinkedIn account, which you would like to verify. Now tap onto your initial on your top left. Once done, tap onto your image or also your username. And under your username, you will see add a verification badge, which is exactly a verification badge. So tap onto it. Wait for this to load. Now, in order to verify your LinkedIn account, you have to verify with Persona. Persona provides identity verification services for LinkedIn members. For that, you will need to provide a valid NFC-enabled government ID, and LinkedIn may display this issuing country of your ID on your profile as well. So if you would like to learn more about how this works, you may go ahead tap on how does this work. If you already know how it works, then tap on verify with Persona. At the section, select a country where you have your driver's license or your government ID. Check these boxes, tap continue. And at this section, if you see this symbol, your government ID contains a chip that can be scanned using your mobile devices. For that, you have to scan this chip via your phone that you are using right now. So tap on yes, continue. Now you have to take a picture of your government ID. If you already have that picture, you can go ahead and tap on upload. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt. And once everything is done, you will be able to verify your LinkedIn account. And you will also get a verification badge just beside your LinkedIn name. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.